These packaged gas furnaces are made in Mexico by Nortec Global HVAC, and the units are only available through dealers in the USA. All of the units feature all aluminum microchannel coils that resist corrosion, but they use a wire grill with a plastic mesh screen to protect the condenser coil. That does not do very much to protect the coil fins from mechanical damage due to hail or debris from lawnmowers. They have installed filter dryers to protect the refrigerant system from the effects of moisture, but use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The R8GE models are basic units with a 13.4 SEER2 cooling efficiency and an 81% AFUE heating efficiency, but they are relatively loud with a 73 decibel sound rating, and their warranty is not as good as many brands as it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium or Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.